Did you know that now you can create professional shorts videos like this in NotebookLM with perfect animation and subtitles that creates an engaging fonts, and also with motion graphics, which will be very good to share on social media platform. And also you can create this type of shorts in NotebookLM for free. So NotebookLM just added a new feature which is short overviews. Now you can create 60-second vertical videos with your concept and sources, which is now is for Google AI Ultra and Pro subscriber, but you can also now create this for free on your NotebookLM. So let me show you some results here. So this is a short video about evolution of game graphics. As you can see,
it built worlds out of thousands of interconnected triangles, creating a navigable wireframe mesh. But those early geometric models looked flat and lifeless. To process all that visual data, computers added dedicated chips called graphics flat images. Instead, how did we bridge that massive gap? It wasn't.
As you can see, this has a unique style of a pencil sketch type images and some smooth animation and motion graphics. As you can see, this is not a pro account, this is a free account. So to create a short video, you just need to come to your NotebookLM, sign in with your Google Gmail account. You can create a new notebook, or also you can create the short video from your previous notebook. So for example, I'm just going to create a short video from my previous notebook, which is about history of space exploration from ancient theories to modern frontiers. Now, if you already use NotebookLM, you know how to create a video overview, which is in the right side. And if you click on this, here you'll find the option called short, which is the new feature of NotebookLM. So you just need to select this, and you can see now you have suggested prompt here. You can use this, or you can just click generate to use the default here, or also you can use the suggested prompt like, so I'll just select this historic mass observation and click generate, and after some minutes it will create your video. So we just have to wait. So after 10 minutes our shorts has been ready. Let's see the video here.
For nearly a century, the most advanced maps of Mars featured a massive network of alien canals that never actually existed. So how did a complete illusion become accepted scientific fact? This myth of a designed surface and transmitting systematic global photographic swaths of the surface. As this incoming photographic data actively overwrote the historical hand-drawn map, what the completed map actually uncovered was even wilder. A dramatic landscape featuring massive tectonic structures and giant volcanoes like Olympus Mons. The alien spectacularly dynamic.
So as you can see, this is pretty good with some cool images.
Never actually exist.
And also with some animation that you can use this for your social media, or you can actually learn, or you can teach something others, or you can share it to your friends or any other project that you can use. So I'm going to show you another one with a custom prompt that I use. So here's another one that I created with NotebookLM, which I have given a prompt here. So as you can see, I'm going to show you also that if it follow the prompt, so not every time it's going to follow a prompt, but here's a prompt that I created. Tell the creation of pyramid like a crime investigation, use a dramatic narrator, mystery structure, and end with a question. So this is a prompt that worked for this NotebookLM, and this was for a pyramid about the mystery of pyramids. And let's play the video.
500-year-old locked room mystery. How do you move 2 million massive limestone blocks 146 meters into the sky without a single modern crane?
So it's really start with a crime investigation type images and also the starting. And let's see, it really covered the mystery structure of the pyramid.
Prime suspect is a massive external ramp, first 43 meters of the structure. Then they dismantled it, recycling those stones upwards. For the upper levels, they constructed a hidden internal spiral ramp.
So it's also follow the prompt here. And let's see, it's really ended with a question or not.
Of scan, but it is currently frozen behind bureaucratic red tape. If the Great Pyramid is hiding its own construction method inside its walls, when will we finally be allowed to look inside?
So yeah, sometimes it's follow the prompt or sometimes you don't. Like you cannot actually change any style. Like if you want to change a style into papercraft or pencil sketch or cinematic photos, sometimes it's follow the prompt and sometimes we don't. But The videos are very cool here, so go ahead and use it. And here's the question: how many short videos that you can create? You can see that Google NotebookLM daily limits for short overviews is 3 video per day on the free and plus users. So you can create 3 short videos if you are a free user, and if you're a pro user, you get to make 20 per day. So that's heavy usage ultra tryers for me. So that's pretty huge. And if you are a heavy usage ultra tryers, like, you can create 200 daily generation. So that's it, guys. This is the video that I want to share with you. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.